Hello. Default WooCommerce related products on single product page are not working in the way that they should. WooCommerce shows related products here and the script takes related products by category WooCommerce or tags where the current product is. From the box, there isn't a way for me to edit related products WooCommerce. Today I am going to show how to set up custom related products for WooCommerce in a few clicks and show automatic related products with different simple approach. First off, we need to install Boost Lite, all-in-one WooCommerce related products plugin, links in description. Additional WooCommerce related products settings appeared in tab Boost and Relations after Woo related products plugin activation. We have store for PMU and microblading with products in categories, accessories, cartridges, ink and pigments, PMU machine, power supply, practice skin. Also we have products with tags, accessories, inks, services, technical, tools. And now, we need to set up relations between our categories and tags. Go to tab Boost then Relations. Now we need to display related products in WooCommerce. So go to tab Boost then Related and enable to WooCommerce add related products on single product page. Put our custom title for WooCommerce similar products section. Then you need to set up data for relations by categories, tags or even viewed products. That's it. Now WooCommerce chooses related products by our relations we have set up. Let's check it. The similar way to WooCommerce show related products on cart page, but we will show it in the new video. Goodbye.